Yo, what is up? Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, and turn y'all post notification on. Those who haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe right now. Alright? Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys how to install the new script for the gym. It's working perfectly. You could get 4 stars in each categories. I repeat, y'all could get 4 stars in each categories. Easy, bro, easy. So y'all could be getting the gym rat badge really fast. Okay, first step is plug in the Zen. I'm gonna plug up my Zen. Okay, check this out, guys. As soon as y'all plug in y'all Zen, look in the library. Shit, my bad, bro. My bad. My mouse was bugging. Alright, so check this out, guys. Okay, as y'all can see, this is a new script. This script would allow you to get 4 stars on your workouts instead of having to do them yourself. Full credit goes to Hat Trick. It's just been updated and uploaded today, guys. So make sure y'all get the script today. Do not click on this one, the 2K23 gym rat. This is not working perfectly, but this is working perfectly. And y'all will be getting 4 stars in each categories. So check this out. In order for y'all to put this script into the Zen, y'all gotta click on this right here. Download. Alright. If y'all want to read the descriptions and everything, y'all could check it out. 2K23 gym script updated by Chid. 9/27. 2022. It says press and hold right on the D-pad for leg press, guarantee 4 stars, which is working. Press and hold touchpad for squats, guarantee 4 stars. Press and hold down on the D-pad for bench press, guarantee 4 stars. Press and hold L3 for ropes, guarantee 4 stars. Press and hold up on the D-pad for the treadmill. Bro, what more can you ask for in a script, bro, for 2K23, bro? Those who need the gym rat badge really fast, this is the script y'all gotta be using in the gym right now. Okay, so check this out. When y'all click on the download, y'all supposed to see this shit, right? Click on programmer. Click on this GPC script. Y'all gonna see the NBA 2K23 gym get 4 stars. Drag that shit down. As soon as y'all drag that shit down, save that shit. Okay, so now the script has been saved. I could plug it out, put it put it inside my PlayStation 5, and I could start to be using the script right now. I already used it. I already got 4 stars on my gym. So I won't be making any video about it, but the script is working perfectly, guys. Alright, those who are having problem with the script, make sure comment down in the comment section so I could help y'all. Click on devices. Y'all check y'all devices, make sure everything is enabled. Those who are on Xbox is right here. Those who are on PlayStation, keep it on auto. Alright, now right now 2K Mike Wing just said that he's gonna be fixing all the quest updates, all the bugs that's happening in the game. Those who are commenting on my YouTube channel and asking me for help about this quest and this other quest, and y'all know the routine. Well, Mike Quinn is gonna fix that for y'all, alright, in a couple days. So y'all have patience. Plus, I have good news. The 2K23 a new 2K23 script is about to be released soon on the Zen. So make sure y'all check out your library frequently. I can't even say the damn word good, bro. Yeah, frequently. Oh shit. Alright, so everything is installed on the Cronus Zen, guys. Make sure y'all, don't forget, guys, make sure y'all subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Peace.